How are you doing? I hope everyone is doing okay out there. I know this is such a weird time in our world right now. I'm still going to be posting my regular videos every week, so if you are at home and bored and need something to do, I hope these keep you entertained. I know there are a lot of people out there with differing opinions of should you be posting on social media or not, and to me, I'm just going to be doing what I do every single week like it is just normal. I'm trying to keep my life as normal as possible. I don't know about you guys, but when you get in your routines and stick to them, I feel like it really helps to distract you from everything that is going on in the world. So I hope you don't mind. I'm still going to be posting. Of course, I'm trying to be as sensitive as possible to what we're all going through, and it's just comforting to know that we are all in this together. And you know, if you ever need someone to talk to or reach out to, or you're just feeling scared or nervous, please DM me. I would love to chat with you. I know it is uncertain times, but I know if we just have hope and remain grateful. For me personally, I am so grateful to live in the United States of America. Regardless of everything that is going on, I feel so lucky and blessed to be living here, to have a roof over my head, to be healthy. I know that is not the case for a lot of people out there. So if you are struggling right now, just know my heart and my prayers are with you. So all that being said, today I am going to be sharing a haul with you. I did some online shopping, so I wanted to share with you guys what I got. Right now is the perfect time to online shop since we are unable to go into any stores. So maybe this will give you some ideas if you're in the mood to get online and see what's out there. So anyways, all that being said, let's get started. Watching a blogger recently on Instagram, and she shared these sunglasses, and I had to get them because I have actually been looking for a pair of sunglasses like these. The ones from Ray-Bans look very similar to these, but of course these are only I think $17.99 on Amazon, and they look so similar. I was very impressed with the quality. I'll try them on to show you guys what they look like. I think I've said this on my channel before, but Amazon is one of my favorite places to buy trendy sunglasses just because you can get them at such an affordable price, especially if you don't want to spend $200 on Ray-Ban sunglasses. These are such a good dupe, and what I love about them is they come in so many different colors. If you don't like this color specifically, there are so many different options. These have definitely been my favorite find of the month so far. I just think they're great quality for the price. My friend here on YouTube, Juliana, recommended this and I had to get it. I have used it so much ever since I got it, but it's so cute. It is a hard-boiled egg cooker. It actually cooks a bunch of different types of eggs. You can scramble eggs and all that stuff in it, but I personally don't do that. I only use it for hard-boiled eggs. I know it's such a first world problem, but getting the stove ready and boiling water, I don't want to mess with that, and so this comes in so handy. All you have to do is pour a little bit of water in this, put your eggs in, push the button, and you can go about doing whatever. You don't have to watch it, which is really nice. It dings when it is ready. It only takes about 10 to 15 minutes depending on how many eggs you put in here. Seriously recommend this thing. I eat hard-boiled eggs all the time, so this has really helped me and made my life a lot more easy and convenient. While I'm looking at my phone, I just thought I would mention this phone case. I have been loving this so much. I'm actually very impressed with the quality. I recently just picked this up from Walmart. I believe they're still on walmart.com. If you do decide to go grocery shopping at Walmart, these are there, and they're only $12.88 or $13.88. One of the two. They're under $15. Casemate sells a phone case very similar to this one, and I think it's 40 something dollars, so this I could not pass up. I just love how much it sparkles and it keeps your phone protected. Alright, next, I don't know if anyone noticed my hair curled today, but if you're wondering what I used, I've been using this Conair curling wand for the past 2 months now, and I can't say enough about it, and the reason why is because it's under $15. I think this one at the time when I bought it was $11. $11 for a curling wand that gets my hair exactly how I want it. I personally love just like loose waves. I don't like tight curls or anything, and this is great for that. I think it's only a 1-inch barrel. I love so many things about this. I just love how hot it gets. Super simple to use. I like that it has the clamp here. I just wanted to show you in comparison. This is the T3 styling one, and the colors are very similar. This one is a bigger barrel. I think this is 1.5 or 1.25. I'm not sure. But personally, I use these two all the time, and I think they're super comparable. I would not waste my money and spend $200 on this. Obviously, you can feel it has better quality, but honestly, for $11, I think this can get the same effect. I curl my hair and it looks the exact same when I use this one compared to this one. So if you guys are in the market, I highly recommend this Conair one. I wanted to mention this, and I don't think I've ever talked about a perfume on my channel before. Perfumes are very personal since they do interact with all of your pheromones, so obviously they're going to smell a little bit different on everyone, but I can't not mention this because I am so obsessed with this perfume. This will probably be one of those perfumes that I wear for as long as they make it. I love it. Obviously you can see it is quite a revealing little bottle here. If you can't tell already, this is Kim Kardashian's derriere, may I say. She created this perfume. This is the KKW original scent. She has, I think, a line of maybe 3. I'm not sure. She's coming out with so many things. I can never keep track. But this is her first one, the KKW one. It smells incredible. It's just so fresh and fruity. So I looked up the notes in this one, and it says it has green bergamot, green mandarin, pink pepper, peach nectar, ylang ylang, Turkish rose, vetiver, sandalwood, golden amber, and musk. But when I put it on, there's a hint of warmness. To me, this scent just smells sexy. I don't feel like there's any other word to describe it than that. I mean, look at the bottle. It's kind of promiscuous. I swear I get compliments on this fragrance every time I go out of the house. It's that good. Next, this is another item from Amazon I thought I would mention. I just got this in the mail a few weeks ago. These are actually traveling containers. You can use them for whatever, which is exactly what I'm doing. I loved the pretty leopard case. I thought it was really cute, and it is just a zippered pouch. And what I'm doing is storing all of my accessories, so my tech accessories, whether that be cameras, chargers. I don't have a bunch in here right now. I need to put more, but SD cards, camera cords, stuff like that. I needed a place that it would all be contained in, and I thought this was perfect for that. So love, love, love. This was only $8, I believe, under 10 for sure. And I will, of course, leave everything I talked about in the description today. So make sure to check there in case you're wondering where an item is from. Next is another thing from Amazon. I have not put these to use yet, but I am excited to. I am going to be using them in an organization video, but these are clear kitchen pantry food organization labels. Labeling makes me so happy, and I thought these were really cute. So if you're looking to get organized right now since you're at home, then pick these up and get that pantry organized. Summer is quickly approaching. I don't even know if we'll be able to go outside in summer, but you might as well be tan inside your house too. I am so crazy about this. I have used this for so many years, but I am definitely a die-hard advocate for this stuff, especially if you are on the fair side and just want a little bit of glow. This stuff is so good. I personally love using this if I'm going out for the night but didn't have time to self-tan, get a spray tan, or anything like that, but still want to have some color to me. This stuff is called Airbrush Legs, but you can use it wherever, at least I do. I use it on my arms, my legs, my chest, wherever. You can take a mitt or you can use your hand and rub it in. Super simple and easy, and it leaves you with the most beautiful glowing tan. It doesn't look fake at all. I think Tan Glow is the perfect shade for me because it actually shows up on my skin. The lighter colors in this brand for some reason aren't that great. I feel like they don't show up that well, but this is my personal favorite color. It's not long lasting, so once you shower in this, it will come off, so it's not an actual self tan. It's basically just like airbrush in a bottle. I just love this stuff and it has come in handy so many times. I have a few things I got from Target and I am really excited to share this with you guys. I just purchased this from Target and I love it so much. It is this gorgeous mirror. It's super heavy. It has a marble base, as you can see at the bottom, and I like that there's a little area you can store miscellaneous things. I put necklaces, lip glosses, whatever you need down there. Earrings would work perfect. I love the size of it and the shape of it, but it looks gorgeous sitting out on your desk or your vanity. It was a little bit pricey. I think that was $35, but the quality is really great. Another con of it for me is that it doesn't bend, like you can't rotate the mirror, so I wish it did that. But other than that, love it. I think I've talked about these on my channel before, but I cannot get enough of essential oils, you guys. Especially since I've been at home a lot lately, I have been diffusing oils so much. The aroma essential oils give is so different than if you were to burn a candle, and I think that's why I've been loving it. It's a lot more calming and relaxing to me. I got this set off of Amazon. There are quite a few different sets you can get on Amazon for really great prices, because I know the Young Living and doTERRA oils can be very expensive. I think it's like one for $24 or something. I actually really love Young Living oils. I think they're amazing and you can tell the quality in them. But if you're the type of person that is just wanting the aroma effect of essential oils, then I would go with these. If you are not a big fan of burning candles, this is such a great option. Keeping along with the scents, I have talked about this if you watched my Walmart haul video, but this stuff is so good. It is by Better Homes and Gardens. I got it at Walmart. It is a room spray. I'm talking about so many scents today, which is very unlike me because I never talk about scents and perfumes on my channel, but really highly recommend if you need a good room spray. This is lime and eucalyptus. I spray this all over my bed, on my pillows, and even before I go to sleep at night. I personally like laying down on a pillow and having that fragrance. Some people don't, so if you are more sensitive, maybe steer clear, but if you love a good scent, then this stuff is so good and it's under $5. I have two more things I want to share with you all, but they are in my bathroom, so I'm going to take you in and show you some clips of those. So the first thing is this beautiful gold rimmed organizer. You can put whatever you want in this thing, but I fell in love when I saw it and I immediately thought this would be the perfect thing for storing my skincare items. The top row, I have some serums I'm storing. The second row, I have some masks, and then the bottom row are some moisturizers. I've been really into these glass gold rimmed organizers. I think they're so chic and look really beautiful. I also like that you can see what you're displaying in them. And the second item are these clear shelves from Amazon. I love them so much for, of course, displaying more skincare. I have a pretty small bathroom and not a lot of storage, so I'm trying to come up with different ways to organize, and I think these are the perfect thing. You get two for $17, which I thought was such a steal. Again, these clear shelves could work for so many different things, storing nail polishes, makeup palettes, whatever it is that you want to put on them. I have been loving them. So the next thing is this beautiful purse right here. I have been getting a lot of questions about this, especially on my TikTok or on Instagram. People will DM me and ask where I got this, and this is actually from Teddy Blake, and they have such gorgeous, beautiful leather purses. Love this bucket bag. I have been really enjoying this style of purse. You just pull this to get it undone and it opens like that, and there's a lot of room in there to store whatever you want. I especially love this purse because there is a bag attached to it and you can store lip glosses or cash, cards, anything you want. I think the color is so me, this beautiful blush pink. The only thing I would say about this is to get a suede protectant spray because they tend to get dirty pretty quickly. As you can see, there is some dirt forming right here, so I need to wash it. I will leave like the care instructions down below in case you do decide to get this bag, but love, love, love. I think it's so cute, and I think it's on sale right now. The other day I got this spontaneous urge to paint my bedroom, which is so like me. I always get these ideas and I'm like, I have to do it right this minute. I'm like, don't care what I have going on, shut everything down and let's just get that project done. So I decided to paint my bedroom white. I wanted to get some new artwork or prints above my bed, and I've had this vision for quite a while of this beachy scenery. There's this photographer I follow on Instagram. His name is Gray Malin. He has some of my favorite photography, and I've wanted one of his pieces for years, but of course I could not bring myself to spend thousands of dollars on his prints. So I settled with going onto Etsy, and this is such a good hack, you guys. There are so many similar photography prints on Etsy for so cheap. You can get downloadable files. So all I did was went onto Etsy, typed in like my inspiration, which my inspiration for my bedroom was very like boho, beachy vibes, and so I just typed in beach prints, and you can digitally download prints for $4 to $5 depending on which print you get. There are some that are more expensive, but you can find so many beautiful things. So I wanted to share with you this print that I just got. I think it is so beautiful. I already had this frame, so that didn't cost me any money. So if you guys are ever wanting to like switch out your artwork pretty frequently like I do, I get bored pretty easily, so I'm always wanting to change things up. Definitely recommend checking out Etsy if you ever need a good print. I'm going to talk about one more item, even though I have talked about this so many times. I love this laptop cover so much. It has really protected my computer. I got this computer in January and hopped on Amazon and found the perfect laptop cover. It fits perfectly snug against my computer. I haven't had any issues with it falling off or breaking on the sides. This is a good hardy plastic in my opinion, under $20, and I think the print is obviously what sold me originally. I love this watercolor look. I know there are a lot of students out there right now, especially with everyone doing online classes, so I thought I would just mention this again in case you are needing a good laptop cover and you want it to look cute. That is everything for this online shopping haul. I hope you enjoyed and were able to get some ideas for yourself in case you're wanting to do some shopping while you're at home, hanging with your family. If you have any questions, leave me a comment down below. It would mean so much if you liked this video. Give it a thumbs up. It does help out my channel. Thank you guys for all of your support. If you aren't subscribed, I would love if you considered subscribing. I do post weekly videos Wednesday and Friday, although I think that may be changing here in the next few weeks. So if you ever need daily updates, you can check out my Instagram, even my TikTok. I've been doing a lot of TikToking lately. That is definitely such a fun platform for me right now. So if you don't follow me on there, go over and give me a follow. I will see you in Friday's video. So I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye. You and me, we kept on riding in your arms. The only place I wanna hide, yeah. I give it up. All for you, baby, keep trying.